we were doing really good there, trucking along, and then we had this little hiccup. I know we kind of needed it, and everything's nice and green now, and hopefully we've got some of the forest fires under control, and we can get back to some warmer weather and sunshine. And it's perfect timing too, because the QX104 After Work Patio Tour is starting up again, and this thing is great. Every 2 weeks, we go to a different patio. We invite you and 5 of your coworkers to come join us, and we're going to give you appies and beverages and great places too. Alfie's Bar and Billiards, the Beachcomber. I love the Beachcomber, Montana's Barbecue and Bar. You can enter to win right now at QX104FM.com, and it looks like sunshine and 30 for this Friday, so it could be a perfect day for it.
QX104, live on location.
It's the boss lady, Leanne Cater. We're on location at the Canadian Trucking Show. So much fun to be had for the whole family. Put everybody in the car and come on down. It's a great afternoon of entertainment. Lots to see and do. There's a kids land, a bouncy castle